Do you want to see the hidden information stored inside your photos? Samsung Gallery includes a hidden gallery lab feature that lets you view additional embedded photo information. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app. Tap menu icon at the bottom right, then tap Setting. Scroll to the bottom and tap Gallery Labs. Scroll down to the Image Viewer section. And then enable Show EXIF in Details. Now close the Gallery app completely, then open it again. Show the change text effect. Open any photo. Then swipe up to view its detail. At the bottom, tap Embedded Information or EXIF. You will see additional information embedded in the image. For the example, it shows information such as the image orientation, the original capture time, the file modified time, UTC time, the owner, and the device brand. Depending on the photo, you may also see other embedded information. And that's how to view embedded photo information in Samsung Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.